Let's begin our journey of uploading, transforming, and delivering assets by implementing and utilizing the upload widget and an unsigned preset. While there are other front end only techniques for uploading images, the upload widget is incredibly powerful and frankly well tested as it gets a lot of use. Actually, if you previously uploaded assets to Cloudinary using the media library or the media explorer, you've already interacted with an interface that closely resembles the upload widget that we'll be working with today. To get started, we'll create an unsigned preset. This preset is not only going to provide authorization, but it also includes instructions that will be executed during the upload process. Let's explore the code required to set up the widget within our application. This here is the workflow for creating an unsigned preset and coding the upload widget. So let me demonstrate how you'd put this workflow into action. So here are the steps you'll need to take to create an unsigned preset, and I'm going to go ahead and demo that for you within my Cloudinary account right now. So first, you'll sign into your Cloudinary account. Here we are in my dashboard. Navigate to the sprocket to go to your product environment settings. Find the upload section of your product environment settings and scroll down to the upload presets section. At the bottom of this section, you'll have an option to click add upload preset. Click on that. And the most important thing that I want you to do is select unsigned for our purposes today. Next, you'll specify a name for your preset. And make sure to remember the name of this unsigned preset as you'll need to use it and the exact name in your code. So let's call this React Course Demo. You'll also have some other options, like if you want it to land in a specific folder. But for our cases today, I'm going to toggle the use file name or externally defined public ID on. You can optionally make a decision about the naming of your public IDs within your preset. So let's toggle on the use file name or externally defined public ID option and allow for it to be unique to help prevent overwrites. Then, this is a very important step, click save. This orange button here, you're gonna need to click that. So now we have our React Course Demo unsigned upload preset, use file name or externally defined public ID true, unique file name true. And also something else that you might need to do is make sure unsigned uploading is enabled. That's something that by default may or may not be available on your account, and there will just be a button to click right at the top of this upload preset section if you don't already have it enabled. By following these steps that I've just outlined, you'll create an unsigned preset and thus be able to configure the upload widget accordingly. The combination of your cloud name, which is like your username, and the unsigned preset that we've just created will be used to authorize the upload process. Something to remember, the upload widget essentially provides a gateway to uploading assets into your cloud. So it's advisable to install it only on pages that require some initial authentication. This helps ensure that only authorized users can access the upload functionality to your account. You can also easily disable the upload feature by renaming or deleting the preset, which can be done in the same area where you created it. So you'll see this trash can here, or you can edit and change the name, and that would therefore take away access from an unwanted user. Now let's put everything together that we've already talked about. Let's head over to the Playground application and try out the upload widget with our cloud name and unsigned preset. Then we'll take a look at the code and we'll see that we import a third-party library with the widget code. We will see that we've created a function to handle the upload button click and also a function to process the results when the upload is complete. And this is code that you can actually take and use on your own if you so choose. Here we have our upload widget. Let's use my cloud name and use the unsigned preset that we've just created, React Course Demo. I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to upload an image of Mount Fuji in Japan. I'm going to click done here, but then let's head over to my media library to make sure that everything worked as expected. And voila, we have our photo of Mount Fuji, and we'll also see that appended to the end of the public ID, we have KCAHPD, 6 random characters that Cloudinary assigned. And we can see that I was practicing this earlier today, and we have 6 other random characters, and thus the file wasn't overwritten. In the upload widget section, you can view and hide the code that makes the upload widget work. So we can see that we're using a third-party script. We have some functions to process the results, and then we have the code to actually open the widget itself and make sure we have a place to enter in our credentials so that the assets can get to the right cloud. This is actually code that you can take and use on your own if you so choose. And this is all it takes to make the widget work and connect it to Cloudinary. With that, transformations are where the real fun begins. So, with Caroline as your guide, you'll dive into the exciting world of Cloudinary transformations. Caroline?